Hello friends, welcome to MCQ Adda. In this, we'll start Indian polity most important MCQ series for all government exams. So I'm trying to make MCQ series on polity, history, geography, and economy respectively. So if you follow this much MCQ questions, it will be very beneficial for you to give any government exams in easier way you can expect. So the first question we'll go to is Senate is the name of parliament of which country? So in our country, the parliament is itself is called as a parliament. So like that, the Senate is the name of which country's parliament? Answer is the Israel. Israel is the answer. So let us go to next question. So the Mandal Commission was the constituted during the tenure of which among the following prime minister? So Mandal Commission was related to the OBC reservation. So this commission was constituted among which of the following prime minister was there during that Mandal Commission? So the answer is Morarji Desai. Morarji Desai was the prime minister when the Mandal Commission has given its report on OBC reservation. So third question, in which year first public service commission was set up in India? So very important question. So the answer is 1926. The first public service commission is set up in India is in 1926. So fourth question, for which among the following periods an attorney general is appointed in India? So the answer is attorney general will be appointed in India for any period of time that the president feels suitable. So it depends on president. It is the president consents that he can appoint the attorney general of India at any period of time. For any period of time, the attorney general of India is a law officer for the government. According to the Indian Constitution, the vacancy in the office of the President of India shall be filled within. So, if the President's vacancy is there in the office, then within how many months we have to fill that vacancy? Within 6 months, the President post must be filled. Sixth question, an appeal can be made in the Supreme Court of India during which? So, civil or criminal matters, criminal and constitutional matters, civil, criminal and constitutional matters, constitutional and criminal matters. So, the answer is civil, criminal, and constitutional matter. So, you can go to the Supreme Court under civil matters, criminal matters, and constitutional matters. So, seventh question is who appoints the chairman of UPSC? As you people know, it is very easy question. The answer is President appoints the chairman of UPSC. Who determines the composition of UPSC? Again, the president determines the composition of UPSC. President determines the composition of UPSC. So the next question is, which among the following constitution is similar to the Indian constitution because of the strong center? So this in our country, the center is more stronger than the state. Therefore, which country is having more strength than the states is Canada. Canada is having a strong center like our India. So next question, the vice president is elected by an electoral college comprising votes of only members of parliament. In the vice president election, only members of parliaments will take participate. So that's all about today's course. So will please, if you like my course, please just review it or like it and recommend it for any people, and also you can comment on this. Thank you.